Hi everyone, continuing on my series on like why we annotate. Here we go. Cubes. This is another annotation system. The C stands for circle important numbers and labels. The U stands for underline the questions. The B stands for box operation clues. E is express as an equation, inequality, or expression. S is solve and check your work. Okay, I have not done math since 2001. Just kidding. I was a math teacher for a short while, but it's still been a while. So let's see how I do. Okay, I'm gonna show this to my kids. They can make fun of me. Hi, Miss. That's Mr. Gama. Okay, so I can make notes right here. So this is my first one. I'll solve my first one right here. A softball team is ordering pizza to eat after their tournament. Okay. Oh no, here comes my kids. They plan to order cheese pizza that costs $6. So this is important. Okay, so the cheese pizza is 6. Am I allowed to underline? Let's see, underline the question. So, sorry, I'm in catch mode. $6. So, and I'm circling. So 4 topping pizzas cost 10. So this is important. So I need to make notes. So I'm gonna stop. Cheese pizza equals 6. 4 tops pizza equals 10. Sorry, just processing my thinking. They order C cheese pizzas. Okay, so that is C. So C is 6. And F, 4 topping pizzas. So like, am I doing it right? Jesus. Write an expression to represent the total cost of pizzas they order. So this is the question. Okay, so let's see. I circled important numbers and labels. Okay, I did that. I underlined the question. Box operation clues. Oh, okay. Total cost. Okay, so, oops. So I know that total, here comes Max. Total equals plus sum. Total cost. Okay, so that expression would be C plus F equals, so my expression is C plus F. C plus F, okay? And C is 6, so 6 plus 10 equals $16, right? So maybe my expression is C plus S equals 16. All right, that's pretty good. Wow, guys, watch that I didn't do this math. Okay, here we go. Here goes another one. Jada plans to serve milk and healthy cookies for her book club meeting. So I'm probably going to do an expression with milk and cookies. She is preparing 12 ounces of milk, 12 milk, and 4 cookies per person. So 4 cookies per person. So every person gets 4 cookies. So 12 ounces of milk and 4 cookies for a person. Wow, that's a lot of cookies. That's a meal. So every person gets this. So maybe I'll make a little note of important details. So every person is gonna get 12 ounces of milk and then 4 cookies. Yum, yum, yum. Including herself. Whoa. Including herself. That's tricky. You gotta watch out for that. There are 15 people in the book club, right? So that's tricky. So yes, it's 15, but it's actually 16 because it's her. Read closely. A package of cookies contains, what the heck? A package of cookies contains 24 cookies and costs $4.50. Oh my God. The other one was easier. Okay, so a package has 24 cookies. And it equals $4.50. That is crazy. A 1 gallon jug of milk contains 120 ounces and costs $3. Okay, so here's my cookies. Here's my cookie notes. Cookies. Cookies. No. Sometimes I draw pictures so I'm less stressed out. Okay, package of cookies, right? Okay, now I'm gonna make my milk notes down here. Milk. So 1 gallon jug. So 1 gallon jug, right? I'm just gonna stay in ounces, right? I don't need to know the gallon. So 128 ounces, I'm gonna ignore the jug part, right? Because that's just gonna make it more confusing. 128 ounces, because I know I'm in ounces up here, 12 ounces. 128 ounces costs $3. Okay. Let N represent the number of people. So this is important. N is the number of people in the club, and N represent the ounces of milk. So I already know that N equals 16, right? So N equals 16, because I made that note up here. N represents the ounces of milk. Okay, M. C represents the number of cookies. M, C. And B represents budget. B represents budget. That's important. In dollars. Select all, like duh, we know it's in dollars. Select all the equations that could represent the quantities and constraints in this situation. Okay, before I even do that, I kind of feel like I need to solve this, right? I need to write an expression myself. So how am I going to do that? So let's figure out her budget, I guess. I need to figure out her budget. I want to give up, but don't embrace this, but embrace the struggle. Okay, so each package contains, so how many cookies does she need? I guess I need to figure out how many cookies does she need to buy, right? And how much milk? Okay. So how many cookies does she need to buy? So she needs 4 cookies. So there's 16 people. Am I even using this? Okay, now I need to express it. So how many cookies does she need to buy? What is my expression? Okay, there's 16 people in the book club. She wants 4 cookies per person. So 16 times 4 equals the cookies, right? So C equals, oh my gosh, I don't know my calculator. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Calculator. Dun, dun, dun. Calculator error. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do this in my head. 24, 40, 64? Is that right? 24. Yeah, I think it's 64. 6 times 4 is 20. So I think C. So she needs 64 cookies. Okay. How much? So how many? 12 ounces of milk per person, right? So the milk, 12 ounces of milk per person. So milk is 16 times 12. I'm gonna have to try to do that in my head too. So times 2 is 12. 112. Watch, I don't have this. So M equals 112. Okay. So she needs 64 cookies, 112 things of milk. 128 ounces costs $3. So 112 ounces. So 1 jug of milk is enough, right? 1 jug of milk is enough. So she's good. So this one is wrong. M equals 12 times 15. I could, no. So after I did all this thinking, I feel confident, right? Because it's not 15, it's 16. Okay, so I could throw that one out. 3 milk times 450 cookies. So cookies 64 equals budget. So cookies, so she needs 64 cookies. So each package has 24 cookies. So she needs 3 boxes. 3 boxes of cookies. So 3 times 450. She doesn't need 4 times 450. So let me reread the question. Select all the equations that could represent the quantities and constraints in this situation. So she doesn't need that many boxes of cookies, though I'm gonna eliminate. She only needs 3 boxes of cookies. So do I like this one? So the budget should be 450 times the amount of cookies. C is the number of cookies, but not the number of boxes. Look, C represents the number of cookies. Oh my God, Mr. Gama, what did you do to me? 450 times the number of cookies. Why in the world would you get 64 boxes of cookies? That's messed up. No one's buying 64. This isn't Costco. So I'm just eliminating. Okay, does this make sense? N. What was N again? N is the number of people. 4N equals the number of cookies, the amount of cookies. That makes sense, right? Because every person is going to get 4 cookies. 4 cookies. Yeah, I already did that math. 4 times the number of people equals, this is good. I like C. Okay, and then I like C. This is good. That makes sense to me. I already did that. So you have to go through the whole process. Okay, B equals 2 times 3. Where are they getting the 3 from? 3 boxes of cookies. Yeah, 3 boxes times 450. Yep. And what's 2 times 3? Where are they getting 2 times 3? Where are they getting the 3? Is this like the number of milk? Am I wrong? Do they need more milk? I feel like they only need 1 jug of milk. Look. Did I do the math wrong? I think I did the math wrong. Did I? 10 times 10 is 100. Is this, they only need 1 jug of milk. They only need 1 jug of milk. This is wrong. I think it's C. Okay, Mr. Gama. Anyway, see how I did. Yeah, I mean, I wrote expressions in order to figure things out. This one was way easier. That's hilarious. So this is me writing expression at the end. I solved. I boxed. I didn't box any operation clues except for up here. I forgot to do that. I mean, C represents the number of cookies. So I could have done that. So, yeah, 24 cookies. Yeah, I sort of boxed. All right. I just want to say, number one, I don't know if that's right, which is funny. I should have asked the teacher. Number two, I wouldn't have been able to at least figure out number one without annotating. So please model annotation for your kids when you are dealing with word problems. Yay, let's see if this video is credible or not.